А ты что думаешь, Джек Николсон?
Check out my hair, isn't it cute? I use a really expensive shampoo. We're throwing rocks and acting tough, even though we're all wearing tons of makeup. Our manager says we have to act straight, even though we're all gay. We're at the beach acting like we're hunting for chicks, but secretly what we're looking for is some. Shut the hell up, guys, and get back in the closet. They can't know, that you are not hetero. Snorting bath salts and jumping in place. Look at that hot guy, I think we should eat his face. Get away from me, you psychos, I have some mace. And that blow, bet that you taste beautiful. No, get lost, you drugged up homos. We're playing sports, so we seem straight. Our manager said that that's a good way. You need the gas for record sales, so you better keep kicking that ball all damn day. Oh, what's the point? Everyone can see it. It's obvious we like penis. We are five gay British boys skipping in the waves. All we want to do is watch Magic Mike all day. Let's all get into the water and masturbate. I'm gonna think about you. I'm gonna think about you too. God damn it, guys, please stop being gay. 99% of your fans are straight ladies. If they find out your queers, our sales will go away. Okay, fine, we'll save it for another time. There's a girl, go and act like straight guys. Na 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 na. Yes. Hey girl, we're supposed to act like you get us off, but looking at you makes our penises go soft. Oh my gosh, I think I see David Hasselhoff.
Hey there boys, it's the Hoff. I've been on this beach since Baywatch and have been watching you all this time. I gotta say that you're all looking mighty fine. Why don't we head back to my place and have some wine?
Yeah, let's go. That sounds so magical. No, do not go over to his home.
Whoa, these boys of mine, they're beautiful.
Seriously?
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's get back in my place, boys.
Are you kidding me?